Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your charcoal grill effectively. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by assembling your grill following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Next, select a safe, level outdoor spot for your grill, ensuring it is far from any flammable items. Finally, confirm that all the vents are fully open. This is crucial for proper airflow when you light the charcoal. We want to ensure a smooth and safe start to your grilling experience. Now let's get those coals hot. For the best results, arrange about 50 charcoal briquettes into a pyramid shape. I highly recommend using a chimney starter. It's the most efficient way to get an even burn. Place 2 or 3 fire starters beneath the chimney and light them. In about 15 to 20 minutes, your briquettes will be covered in a light gray ash, indicating they are ready to be spread out for cooking. This method ensures consistent heat. With your coals ready, it's time to master grilling zones. For searing, spread the hot coals evenly for direct, high-heat cooking. For more versatile cooking, create a 2-zone fire by pushing coals to one side, allowing for both direct and indirect heat. When cooking indirectly, consider placing a drip pan beneath your food to catch any juices. Remember, adjusting the top and bottom vents is key to controlling your grill's internal temperature, giving you precise cooking power. Finally, let's talk about keeping your grill in top shape. Once you're done cooking, close all the grill vents to completely extinguish the coals. It's important to let the grill cool down for at least 1 hour before you begin cleaning. After each use, scrape the grates thoroughly with a wire brush. Regularly empty the ash catcher and wipe down the exterior surfaces. This simple routine will extend the life of your grill for many delicious meals to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.